Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Nur Azwa Zakaria. My name is AL-AMIN AFNAN by MOHAMAD ASRI and my matrix number is 205963. And for this agriculture and life presentation, I am going to present about organic farming in agriculture. For introduction, organic farming is an agricultural system that uses ecologically based pest controls and biological fertilizers. Organic farming uses fewer pesticides, reduces soil erosion, decreases nitrate leaching into groundwater and surface water, and recycles animal waste back into the farm. Organic production is a holistic system designed to optimize the productivity and fitness of diverse communities within the agro-ecosystem, including soil organisms, plants, livestock, and people. The principal goal of organic production is to develop enterprises that are sustainable and harmonious with the environment. So as we can see, the organic farming fully support the natural uses and resources. This is the difference between the organic produce and conventional produce. For the organic produce, it is grown with natural fertilizers such as manure and compost, and conventional grown produce grown with synthetic or chemical fertilizers. Weeds are controlled naturally by crop rotation, hand weeding, mulching, and tiling, or with organic approved herbicides. This is for the organic. And for the conventional, weeds are controlled with chemical herbicides. In organic, pests are controlled using natural methods such as bird, insects, and traps, and naturally derived pesticides. In conventional, pests are controlled with synthetic pesticides. For the organic meat, dairy, and eggs, the livestock are given all organic food, and it doesn't have the injection on the hormone, and it is not GMO-free feed. GMO stands for genetically modified organism. And for the conventional raised meat, dairy, and eggs, livestock are given growth hormones for faster growth, as well as non-organic GMO feed. It is also a GMO feed. Disease in organic is prevented with natural methods such as clean housing, rotational grazing, and healthy diet. And for the conventional, antibiotics and medications are used to prevent livestock disease. Livestock must have access to the outdoors. This is for the organic. The animals is free to go wherever he want in the outdoors, and for conventional livestock may or may not have access to the outdoors. So as an example, where there is a cow, so the cow will only will stay in the farm. It will not go out in the field or anywhere. This is the type of organic farming. This is the conventional farming, which the farmers wears the PPE and sprays some pesticides, chemical pesticides on the vegetables. Okay, why organic farming is important for us, for the biodiversity and for the community? The impacts on community for organic farming, it provides business opportunity for rural communities. It is low cost, use natural resources which easily can get from animal waste fertilizers, improve local community economy. And organic produce offers the safest products for human consumption than any other available food products. They contain lower levels of chemicals and do not contain modified ingredients compared to conventional agricultural produce. It can get healthy and organic fruits to community. The farmers can provide the healthy and organic fruits for the community. It promotes healthy lifestyle, avoiding food with excessive chemical, and it will result in a healthy life for the community. A healthy life will be a happy life. This is one of the NGO in Malaysia that started the organic farming for the community. It is called, I believe it is called SADDEM, which stands for Center for Environment, Technology and Development, Malaysia. The impacts of organic farming on farmer. Organic agriculture reduces the financial risk of farm operations since farmers are less dependent on external inputs like synthetic fertilizers, seeds, irrigation equipment, etc. They do not have to borrow money to buy these inputs and are therefore financially less affected in case of crop failure. Organic agriculture is well adapted to local circumstances as it encourages the use of local and indigenous farmer knowledge and adaptive learning techniques, provide greater economic return for products to farmers, and improve economies overall than conventional chemical-intensive farming operations. Farmers on all days already use the organic farming method, so I think it should be used now. The effects of organic farming on the biodiversity: it reduces the toxic load on the soil, keeps chemical out of the air, water, soil, and our bodies. Natural crop production encompasses crop diversity and organic systems for enhancing crop fertility as well as controlling pests, weeds, and diseases. Organic agriculture decreases soil erosion caused by wind and water because it doesn't use a lot of chemical on the farm, so it does affect it. This is the climate change that we are facing right now. This is darkness, which in Malay it is called kemarau. It is very sad to see this deforestation for farming, and this is the melting of an ice. Conclusion on the organic farming. Organic farming ensures that it can provide livestock for everyone. Organic farming is more widespread than conventional farming. For example, farm animals in organic farming generally benefit from larger areas, with compulsory access to the outdoors for certain animals. Nutritional composition of foods from organic farming could be a little more complete compared to conventional agriculture. Organic farming reduces the potentially harmful effects of pesticides on biodiversity and ecosystem. This is my reference. Thank you. That's all from me. Assalamu alaikum.